So in this video, we're going to look at capture, recapture, and that's a technique in statistics to try and estimate the number of animals at a reserve or a lake or whatever situation we've got. So to do that, I've got two example questions that we can use. So the first one is 20 puffins are caught and tagged and returned to an island. A sample of 70 is selected, of which 5 are tagged. Now from that, we want to estimate the total number of puffins on the island. And the second one is 25 mice are caught and tagged and returned to a site. A sample of 55 is then selected, of which X are tagged. If the population is 275, find X, which is the number of mice that were tagged. So what we use here is a formula, which is basically a ratio. So what we use is tagged animals in a population, and we divide that by our estimated population total, and we set that equal to our sample animals which were tagged, and then divide that by the total number in the sample, and then we plug in our numbers from there, and then we can find our solution to the number in question. So 20 puffins are caught and tagged and returned to an island. So 20 are caught and tagged and returned to the island. So the population tagged there will be 20. So I can put 20 divided by, we need to estimate the total number of puffins on the island. So the population there is what we're looking for. And then from the sample, we've got a sample of 70, of which 5 are tagged. So that will give us 5 tagged, 70 in the sample. Okay, now we just need to solve for this X here. So what we can do is we can just flip our fraction and give it X over 20 equals 70 over 5, and then multiply both sides by 20 and we get X on its own. So then we've got 70 times 20 over 5, that equals X. Okay, right, let's divide this 20 by 5. So that will cancel out, and that's a 4. So then we're left with 70 times 4, which is 280. So from that information, we can estimate that there was 280 puffins on the island. So the second one, 25 mice are caught and tagged and returned to a site. So that's 25 tagged from the population. And then a sample of 55 is selected, of which X are tagged. So X are tagged, that's the sample tagged, and there was 55 in that sample. And then it says here, if the population is 275, find X, i.e. the amount of animals that we tagged. So 275. Okay. So now what we can do is to solve for X, get this 55 out of here, so multiply both sides by 55. So 25 times 55 over 275 equals our X. So 25s into 275 go 11, so that can cancel out and that becomes 11. And then we've got 55 divided by 11, so therefore X equals 5. So let's put that there. So 5 is the number of mice that were tagged from the sample. And that's our answer to our question.